Hi everyone! Welcome to Speak Day. Today, we'll explore how to use the past simple and naturally in real conversations. You'll hear two friends talking about their weekend. Notice how they use it in daily talk, and at the end, we'll practice together.
Past simple in real life.
Hey Tom, how was your weekend?
Hey Mia, it was good, thanks. I stayed at home on Saturday and just relaxed. How about you?
Nice. I went to the countryside with my family. We visited my grandparents and had a big lunch together.
That sounds lovely. What did you do on Sunday?
On Sunday, I met a friend in town. We walked around the park and had coffee in a little cafe.
That sounds perfect. I watched a movie on Sunday night and ordered pizza. I fell asleep halfway through the film.
Really? What movie did you watch?
I watched a new action movie, but it wasn't very good. I preferred the trailer.
I know that feeling.
Well, sounds like you had a great weekend.
Yes, it was really nice.
Let's take a moment to look at a few past simple sentences from their conversation. I'll show each one on the screen with a short and clear explanation. I stayed at home on Saturday. We use the past simple for a finished action in the past with a clear time word like Saturday. We visited my grandparents. Again, a completed action in the past. It's not connected to now. We had coffee in a little cafe. A finished activity. It happened and ended in the past. I watched a movie on Sunday night. Past simple is common for stories about your day or weekend. We often use the past simple to talk about finished actions and events in the past, especially when we say when they happened, like yesterday, last week, or on the weekend. Now let's have a quick conversation. Imagine we are meeting for coffee on a Monday morning. I'll ask you two questions about your weekend and you answer me out loud using the past simple. Ready? Let's try. Question 1. Hey, good to see you. How was your weekend? Did you do anything fun on Saturday? Question 2. That sounds nice. What about Sunday? Did you stay home or go out? Great job. You've learned how to use the past simple in real conversations. Keep telling small stories about your day. It's a simple way to get better. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more lessons and join Speak Day Conversation Club to speak with people from around the world.